Today we will be discussing how to earn bitcoins every day with Paraiba. So let me ask you a question. Would you like to create an extra income passively every day that you can benefit from financially? If your answer is yes, then watch this video right until the end. We have a proven to work hands-free auto trading system that will help you do just that. Right, let's get started.
Welcome to a brief overview of Paraiba World. I'm going to show you a way today that you can create extra income passively and or actively that can benefit you financially in a tremendous way. It's proven, it works, it's working for me, and it's working for thousands of other Paraiba members. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. Avoid distraction, and remember that your mind works like a parachute. It works best when it's open. A quick risk disclaimer. Trading can carry risk and loss of funds can occur. It's very important to understand that you would get involved with Paraiba World only with risk capital, not funds that you would need for something like a mortgage or rent or food. And this is information for educational purposes. It's not financial advice, and I am not a financial advisor. A quick overview of our legal compliance. We are actually owned by a bank, the Unique Private Bank, and we have a license to do business up to $20 million. We have our PW Pay Limited payment provider established in Kazakhstan. And our Unique Private Bank is the legal owner of the Unique Exchange, which we just launched in October 2020. The Unique Exchange is contracted to do service for Paraiba World. And we are going to concentrate mostly on Paraiba World today and the kind of income that you can make every week with it. Our bank license is out of the Comoros Union. You can go to our website and check this out anytime you wish. It started with the ability to do $2.5 million of authorized capital, and now it's up to $20 million, and that will be increased as we grow, and we are growing rapidly. We also have our Unique Exchange license, Unique Crypto LLC. This is out of Malaysia, and we actually do business mostly at the moment in the SEPA zone, which is Europe, and so we can do fiat to Bitcoin, Bitcoin to fiat transactions there. But we do crypto to crypto transactions for everybody around the world. And so anyone can become a member of the Unique Exchange. Our Paraiba structure works this way. We have our bank license, so obviously the safety of our funds and the company's funds is very important. So having your own bank makes that type of control possible. We're also doing investments behind the scenes. So having this bank really allows us to do big things there. We have our new exchange, which actually was an existing exchange that was bought by Paraiba. And now we've got thousands of members more that are adding into this company. So it is growing rapidly. It works very smoothly, allowing us to do these fiat to Bitcoin transactions, to buy Bitcoin or Bitcoin back to your bank, and crypto to crypto transactions around the world. I love this service. We also have a new messaging app like Telegram or WhatsApp, but even more secure. It doesn't sell your data, and this will be monetized tremendously in 2021. We have more functions coming for it very, very soon. We also have our online store, our gift shop, which has private merchandise right now, and will be expanding more shortly. Our business concept, there's three main areas that the company's involved with right now, which are very, very profitable for the company. We started out mostly as a crypto trading company. About 95% of our trading was in crypto, about 5% in Forex. But we have 7 very highly skilled, very highly qualified traders, including our CEO, who has been a trader for the last 3.5 years. So he knows this industry, this business, inside and out, and wanted to create a better company, a way of doing things that could work for the long term, that could sustain for us for many, many years. And so he's been doing a tremendous job attracting the very best traders to Paraiba. And one way he does that is through collateralized trading. So if a trader wants to work for Paraiba, they actually have to give up their own Bitcoin in a separate wallet that the company controls. And should that trader get into a drawdown and lose, then the company actually keeps the Bitcoin. So for that reason, we're attracting the very best, and the company has that sort of insurance policy, if you will. We also have our crypto exchange, the Unique Exchange. This started in October 2020. It's been going very, very well. I'm using it. People can buy Bitcoin. People can sell Bitcoin. go from crypto to crypto, send your crypto to your own wallet, whatever you'd like to do there. It's a great, great service. And of course, fees are generated with crypto exchanges, and that benefits the company as a revenue stream. We also have real estate. The company's been doing this for many, many months now, and they're involved in various real estate investments around the world to make us solid for the long term. So our revenue overview, we have our Bitcoin and Forex trading, which is tremendously successful. We now have our cryptocurrency exchange platform, the Unique Exchange. We have our online store. We have our new messaging app, which is in beta right now. You can download it and begin using it. More functions are coming for that in December 2020 and much more in 2021. Also, our strategic real estate investments. The back office is very smooth, works very well. The company has very solid anti-hacking systems. They bought a company in the US that has a artificial intelligence technology that learns as it goes. And it's one of the very best and strongest technologies in the world. We've had multiple hacking attacks, millions actually, over the last few months, and this has prevented all of them. So we have a very solid, very secure website, very secure system. We have our CAPTCHA and email systems as well for our own accounts, so that you have full control over everything. Our Paraiba World and Unique Exchange work together. When you do your free account with Paraiba and you do your KYC, you actually end up KYC'd with your Unique Exchange account as well. So you're all synced and ready to go. Very transparent dashboard, and you have an overview of your Paraiba accounts through your Unique Exchange account as well. We also have, as mentioned, our Paraiba online store, which right now is filled with Paraiba merchandise that you can buy now. Very simple model. You can register for free with Paraiba. You can deposit with a minimum of $25 to secure your position, but we're going to show you why you'd want to start with more than that as I show you the various compensation models. And we have a referral system. Now, you don't need to refer anybody when you join Paraiba. As a passive member, you can benefit from all of the different income streams I'm about to show you. But if you do decide to share this, then it can be tremendously beneficial. We have members making 3, 4, 5, even 6-figure monthly incomes with Paraiba. With our financial structure, we start with $25. We are a cryptocurrency company, so it's Bitcoin in right now, Bitcoin out. Other coins may follow shortly. You can also get involved by buying crypto through our Unique Exchange. If you're in Europe through SEPA, you can do a bank transfer and buy your cryptocurrency that way. When you are profiting inside of your account, you can reinvest with a minimum of $25. And your withdrawals with Paraiba are a minimum of $100. And now we can do withdrawals at any time we want with the Unique Exchange, and they arrive within 15 to 20 minutes. Compensation model, the company has 5 different ways that they will pay us. They will pay you on your own deposit from 0.3 up to 0.5% per business day. And we're paid 4 days per week with Paraiba, which is on average about 16 to 17 days per month over a 6-month period of time. And so we have this 100 business day cycle where at the end of it, you can get your deposit back if you need it. If it's an emergency, you want it, you can get it back, or you just continue to earn with the company because we have no expiry on our funds. The first line bonus can be very exciting. These are all the people that you personally refer. You can actually get to the point where you're making a 100% match. So what they're making passively, you are making passively. We have our downline bonus where you can earn to infinity levels up to 0.04%. And we have our pool share. We have 7 different pools which are paid from the streamline, and this is something very unique that the company has. The streamline are all of the deposits that come into the company from people that have joined after you. So everybody has a streamline. Everybody has a different streamline based on when they start. So if you started today, that would mean that everybody that joins Paraiba Worldwide after you join, all of their deposits end up in your streamline. And the company will pay you a percentage of the trading profits from that streamline value. So the sooner you start, the better this could be for you as you qualify for these various pools. And we have our ranking bonus where the company will pay you one time, and they can be big, nice bonuses for reaching certain achievements, certain growth in your business. So we have 5 ways to earn with Paraiba. Our withdrawals are possible through Bitcoin and I mentioned daily now anytime you wish through our unique exchange. You earn off every active account in your structure, and you can earn from day one, the very first business day. So we earn from Wednesday to Saturday. And you might be asking, why are we not earning from the other 3 days of the week? Well, because the company allows for a cushion. So if there's any trading days that maybe they aren't exactly what they want it to be, they have that cushion with the other 3 days that the traders are still trading. As well, the company has expenses. The company has management, programmers, developers, offline events, things like this. So we want to make sure that all that is taken care of. It's about sustainability. It's about longevity. That's what I was looking for when I first saw Paraiba. And I hope that you would be looking for a company that you would want to last long-term, many years. That's what we want. That's the way this is set up. Our CEO, when I first met him, he said he's got a 5-year plan to go to $1 billion company. We did $10 million, or we wanted to do rather $10 million in our first year. We did $20 million. In our second year, we're poised now to do $100 million. You're in charge with Paraiba. You are your own boss. That's what I love about this. Sky's the limit. Whatever type of focus and commitment you have here, you can do anything you want. As mentioned, we've got people making 3, 4, 5, and even 6-figure monthly incomes. No referrals are required. All these income streams I'm about to show you, you can be a 100% passive member and still earn from all of them. And of course, you will earn from these if you are an active member sharing it. So as mentioned, your own deposit from 0.3% to 0.5%. So anything up to $49,999, they'll pay you 0.3% per business day, and over $50,000 at 0.5% per business day. This is about 5% to 8% per month. This is tremendously better than almost anything out there traditional, but it's not so outrageous that we would worry the next day whether the company's going to still be here, right? It's very plausible, very reasonable, but still very lucrative based on what the company will pay us through all of these income streams. We also have some strategies that can do a little bit better here than what we're showing you, so make sure to get with your team leader or your upline to get those. First line bonus. So again, remember, if you're passive, you can still take part in all of these, and if you're active, certainly you will. To qualify for this, you need to have at least $100 yourself in the system working, and all of your first line, your first level people, they need to have at least $100. So if you refer between 1 and 4 people, the company will pay you 0.05%. That's a portion of the trading activity from the deposits of those people. If you can get yourself up to 20 or more, the company will pay you the maximum 0.3% of the trading activity from the deposits of those people. Remember what you're earning passively? It was 0.3%, right? So here you are earning 0.3% from the people on your first line. So it's a 100% match basically. Whatever they're earning, you're earning. The downline bonus. With the downline bonus, you need to have at least $1,000 yourself working in the system, and then you need to have at least 2 lines working for you. Between 2 and 4 people, the company will pay you 0.01%. Again, the portion of the trading activity from the deposits of those people, and these people need to have at least $1,000 as well. If you can get yourself up to 20 or more that have $1,000 deposited, the company will pay you the maximum of 0.04% off the trading activity from those deposits. And when you qualify for these, you're also qualified to get paid off everybody, no matter the amount that they've got in the system. It could even be under $1,000 at that point. The pool share, again, very exciting because this is based on the streamline, and that streamline being all the deposits, the people that join the company after you. And so the company will pay you with these pools a portion of the trading activity that the company has every day. And so the way that you would qualify, for example, with Pool 1 is you need to have $1,000 yourself working in the system, and you need to have 1 person that has $1,000 themselves. It could also be 2 people with $1,000. As long as it adds up to these values that you see at the bottom, then you can be qualified for these various pools. And we have people now that are qualified even for Pool 7, and it can mean hundreds of dollars a day just in that pool. So 7 different ways alone in just the pool share that you can get paid. We have our global leader pool. So once you reach $3,000 a day in the downline, company will allow you into the global leader pool, where it takes 0.01% of the company streamline and distributes that out to those who qualify for that pool. And lastly, we have our rank bonus, where you can get paid one-time bonuses. The reason we have gems here, or diamond positions, is because Paraiba is a gem, if you look it up in the dictionary. I recently became a purple member, a purple diamond member. That means I have $15,000 myself on deposit. I have 10 to 19 people on my first line or more. I'm in pool 4. I have 2 green diamond members on 2 different legs. The company just paid me $5,000. There's a total of $46,110 here. Guys, thank you very much for your time. Hope you join with us. We're very excited to have you on our team. There's big success happening here. Make it a great day. Bye for now.